Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have an unboxing. I took them out of the box and I was actually hesitant on opening them because I saw the plastic bag, y'all. And it does say assembled in Mexico. But the feet gave me hope, even though the bag says assembled in Mexico. I've actually heard that certain colors, even though the bag says assembled in Mexico, it could still have the authentication label inside. I just can't remember which colors it was that supposed to have it regardless of where the bag comes from. So since I don't have a Nano, and this was one that I was pretty excited about, I think I'm going to go ahead and open this one. And I was just trying to double check through the bag before opening it, just in case. And that may save me from opening it. Or, you know, if I already see that I would want to return it. I'm going to take a look, y'all. I don't have a Nano. And I thought it would be too small, but then I thought about the Bitsy and how I love the Bitsy. The opening, of course, is different. The silhouette itself is different, but I believe they're pretty similar to the same size of each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a chance. And see what's inside. I don't know why they take this bag up like this. It's not easy to get into, and then if you do have to reseal it, it's all full of holes and everything. Let's see, y'all. If you're watching and you're not subscribed to my channel and you think that you would like to be, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. Okay, y'all. So this one is 14 of 25 Brown Tomorrow Nano Satchel, and ship or date of November 20th, 2024. It's so cute and petite. I'm gonna look inside, y'all. Other than that little crease right there, it doesn't look bad. The duck looks good. The stitching around the duck looks good. The feet look okay. Let's see. Fingers crossed. No label, y'all. And it has some green suede stitched or something in here on the side. What in the world? I don't know, y'all. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. What do y'all think? Is this a yay or nay? Well, y'all, I don't think I'm gonna open the other ones because, well, I may open the Bordeaux. Since I know it's not the Brown Tomorrow color that may have the authentication label inside, I'm gonna check and see if that one may have it. I heard they were gonna stop making the Nanos. I don't know if that's true or not, but that was part of my reason for wanting to get one. Plus they went on sale. I think they were like $120 something, $130 something. So I was like, well, let me try the Nano, see if I can tolerate the opening of it since it's a petite purse. It wasn't too bad. Like I said, it's about the same size as a Bitsy. It just has more detail on it because it's the silhouette of the miniature silhouette of the traditional satchel. So I'm not feeling too excited about that one, but let's look at the Bordeaux and see. If it's a possible keeper. How did that get offline? That is so weird. Should I open it, y'all? Or not? I made it this far. I might as well look inside. Oh, this is such a pretty color. Let's see. It's like the only ones that have it now are the ones that say made in America, but the ones I've gotten that said made in America were full of flaws. Well, the natural ones, that's the only ones I've gotten that said that, and it had flaws. Either something was wrong with the duck, it had a hole in the leather, glue on the leather, something. So y'all, this may be my last try with Florentine unless I actually buy it in person. Because it takes time to do this and then have to wrap it back up to return it if it's not a keeper. Fingers crossed, y'all. Let's see. No luck with this one either. Well, I guess that was just a rumor. That was not true. hopefully after these all sell, they'll go back to or change manufacturers, because I'm not liking this, y'all. It's a very pretty color, but this is not a keeper. Like, they even got glaze on the hardware. If y'all can see that right there. No, 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 no. Not gonna do it. Not gonna be able to do it, y'all. Yeah, I'm not even gonna open the brown one, so. This turned out to be a no-go on the Bordeaux and a no-go on the brown tomorrow. So no to the Nano. I think I already looked at this one pretty closely through the bag. Ooh, I don't even have to open this. Y'all, look at this. You're not supposed to be able to see through that opening in the leather like that. If you all can see that through the plastic, that's not supposed to be like that. Yeah, these are no. Darn it. Oh well, back to the drawing board, y'all. I tried. So this may be my last Florentine haul for a while, or attempt, should I say. Well, even though I didn't get any keepers, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to reading you all's comments and seeing you all in the next video. This tassel is standing straight up. Let's see if I can get it to fit back. Well, again, y'all, thank you for watching. I am disappointed in the Florentine. I really wanted at least the Nano, but that did not happen. So, and the Bordeaux. I really like that color. So, I was looking forward to that one working out. But, nope, no go for all three. So, I will see you all in the next video. And thanks again for watching, y'all. And again, have a very, very wonderful day.